What's up, everybody? This is Legendary Makes, and today I have something a little bit different than Lego robots. So let's just get those guys out of the way. Okay, got them out of the way. So I'm going to show you today how to build a Lego. Drumroll, please. I'm going to show you how to build a Lego Space Lab. And this is what the lab looks like. First thing I'm going to show you is how to build accessories for the lab. Okay, these are going to be all the things I show you how to make in this video. First, let's start with the crystal research table, which, yes, is this. So I'm going to show you how to build it right now. Here are the parts you'll need, but I'm showing you these yellow parts in my hand since it would be kind of hard to see them with my backdrop. So you're going to need a yellow cheese slope, transparent, a squared smooth stud, and what do they call this? A 1x2 brick, but you get the idea. Okay, let's show the assembly. So I am using one of these missile shooters for detail, and one of these bricks, I guess. And I'm going to be putting it on here. I'm going to get this piece and put that on here and get each of these studded pieces. Put one of the crystal rocks here, and now let's build the other crystal rock. So basically, just go like this and get that piece on there, and you can angle them, and boom, you have a crystal research table. And to go with him, I built a crystal research space minifigure. Okay, let's build something else from the lab now. So we built the crystal research lab table and the minifigure. So next, let's show you how to build the big computer and the small computer. So here are the parts you'll need for this small computer. I just got a printed slope, put two of these on top of each other, and bam, you have a small computer. Now for the big computer. The big computer uses a couple more parts, so let's start building. Now that you've got this built, put these pieces on the front to look like plates on the computer. So you have a big computer and a small computer. Now let's build something else. So we've built everything over here, but not over here. So I'm going to show you how to build a generator and a clock and a crystal table all in one. Here's what you're going to need for the generator. Now keep in mind these are simple builds because I wanted to make this a build beginner builders can make for their own minifigures. So yeah, there's the generator, done and built. Now the clock. Okay, let's build the clock. So let's put these pieces on like so. The clock, or it can be really whatever you want it to be. It can be something measuring gas pressure or something like that. Well, anyways, whatever you want to call this, it's built. Now, the small crystal display. Alright, let's build it. So stack two of these bricks on top of each other, get this plate right here, and put the crystal on an angle. And it's built. Okay, we've built a lot of stuff for the lab, but I quickly just assembled another minifigure to go in the lab. So there's another thing to add to our lab build. And a quick bonus, I'm going to show you how to build this little robot. Alright, first let's make the lens or the eyeball for the robot and put it on here. Then we can get that on the front and just clip the 2 feet on to each side. And there you go, you have a little camera robot. Alright, now that you've built all this stuff for your LEGO lab, let's show you a couple ways you can configure the lab. Here's a pretty straightforward little, I guess you can call lab, an empty lab at that, I built to put all the stuff in. It's a small little diorama that you can put your mocks in. And you might be wondering why a hole is in the wall. Well, it's because the first thing we're going to be adding to our lab is that clock looking thing. Alright, let's put this generator in the corner. I think it looks pretty good there. And now we can add a computer. And I'm actually going to add this, like, I guess you can call it a macaroni piece, because it looks like a tube going in the wall. Now we can add this small computer in the corner. We can add the crystal research table, the smaller crystal stand table, and boom, just like that, you've built a lively looking lab. But let's add the minifigures and the robot. Okay, our lab is finally done. This is a longer video, but I think it was worth it. We've built a full-scale lab, so let's show you a small look at it. It looks like a pretty lively scene, and I think that it looks really nice. If you want to see more stuff like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to my channel and do all that YouTube stuff like comment, share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, this has been Legendary Makes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!